Heartily welcome everyone to our YouTube family. Websites are essential for all, maybe working professionals, businessmen, students, or parents, as they provide 24/7 instant access to information, products, and services throughout the globe. They offer credibility, convenience, and direct communication channels, enabling users to make informed purchasing decisions, compare options, and engage with brands easily in a digital first world. Here's the list of top 10 websites that everyone must. Number 10. Time.org is a powerful tool that lets you create permanent snapshots of any web page at a specific moment in time. When you archive a page using this site, it saves an exact copy including images, text, formatting, and even elements of website architecture. It is used for saving evidence before they are edited or taken down, search and fact-checking where content might disappear, citing stable sources in academic, journalistic, or professional work. You can go to any specific timeline to see how Internet of Things looks at that period of time. Archive.org, also known as Wayback Machine, is non-profit, American digital library founded in 1996 by Brewster Kahle. Its mission is to provide universal access to all knowledge by preserving and providing free access to digital and digitized cultural artifacts, including websites, books, audio recordings, videos, images, and software programs. Number 9. Toto.com is an amazing web-based tool by Google that helps anyone, even those with zero artistic skills. It creates clean, polished drawings in seconds using artificial intelligence. Smart sketch recognition, Google anything, and AutoDraw instantly suggests polished results. Create neat visuals without learning complex design tools, 100% free and no downloads or sign-ups needed. Great for school projects, social posts, flyers, and fun doodles. Works on computers, tablets, and smartphones. Sell smarter, bigger brands with content marketing goals. Ignite your marketing genius today. Number 8. TinyWow is an all-in-one free tool hub offering PDF editing, file conversions, AI writing tools, and more. It's a go-to for solving everyday tech problems without needing expensive software. Free tools for PDFs, files, and AI content, no installations required. Easy and user-friendly platform. Number 7. Fast.com lets you instantly test your internet speed. It is critical for remote workers, gamers, and streamers. It is used for quick, reliable speed test. Minimal design, no distraction. Great for diagnosing connection issues. Number 6. JustWatch is the ultimate search engine for streaming content. It tells you where your favorite movies and TV shows are available across Netflix, Prime Video, Disney June, and more. Find where movies and TV shows are streaming. Covers all major platforms. Saves time and cuts down endless browsing. Number 5. Fridge Food is the ultimate kitchen hack for anyone stuck with random ingredients. Just enter what's in your fridge, and the site generates recipe ideas. It is perfect for reducing food waste and inspiring creative meals. Key focus areas: find recipes using available ingredients. Save money and cut down food waste. Great for busy households and students. Number 4. Nabody is an interactive health and wellness platform offering detailed guides and anatomy diagrams. It's great for learning about how the body works or exploring fitness and healthcare topics. Here are the uses. Interactive human anatomy charts health, fitness, and wellness guides. Great for students, fitness fans, and health-conscious individuals. Number 3. Grubuzz Photos lets you upload an image and find where else it appears online. It's a valuable tool for verifying authenticity, tracing image sources, and detecting fake profiles or misinformation. Reverse search images easily, verify sources or detect fake content. Helpful for journalists, researchers, and curious users. Number 2. Fix My Speakers is a simple online tool that assists in removing water from your phone's speakers after accidental submersion. With this user-friendly tool, you can quickly address the issue and prevent any long-term damage to your device's speakers. Number 1. TempMail gives you a disposable email address instantly, allowing you to sign up for services without exposing your personal inbox. It's perfect for avoiding spam and protecting your online privacy. Create instant, disposable emails. Protect your main inbox from spam. Great for testing, downloads, and free trials. To give a like, share, and support. Comment and subscribe our channel for more upcoming sparking videos. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.